Today I'll walk you through how to close a JIRA issue, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to finalize your JIRA tickets so you can keep your project workflow smooth and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your JIRA dashboard. This is your command center for managing tasks and tracking progress. If you're not sure where to find it, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, just look for the main navigation menu. Once you're in your dashboard, the next step is to open the JIRA ticket you want to close. You can find this ticket by searching for it in the search bar or navigating through your project board. Remember, each ticket represents a task or issue that needs your attention. Now, near the top left of the issue view, locate the status dropdown. This dropdown typically shows the current status of the ticket, such as in progress, to do, or in review. Think of this dropdown as a traffic light for your task. It's time to change it to green. Click the dropdown and select either done or closed. This action signifies that the task has been completed. It's similar to checking off an item on your to-do list. Once you mark it, you can move on to the next task. If a resolution prompt appears, select the appropriate resolution. You might see options like done, fixed, or won't do. Choose the one that best fits the situation. You can also add optional comments to provide additional context for your team. After that, click Save or Update to finalize the changes. This step is crucial as it ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding the status of the issue. And there you have it. You've successfully closed a JIRA issue. Remember, closing tickets is an essential part of project management, helping to keep your workflow organized and your team informed. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.